I can certainly say for Dave and I that we're both very excited to talk to you today about today's topic. I'm a partner with iKnowtion, and I've worked in the marketing analytics field for 22 years now. However, over the last 3 to 4 years, I've spent a great deal of time working with clients on customer engagement, and then using those insights to really drive significant change and improvements. And it's really that work in engagement analytics that I want to share with you today. Acquiring and leveraging customer knowledge is really an essential requirement to build a winning customer experience strategy. We'll be explaining how to inject this intelligence into that customer experience strategy using a process we call engagement analytics. So in this portion of the webinar, you'll find out why it is critical to incorporate engagement-based principles into your marketing and customer experience management strategy. You'll learn how to arrive at a definition of customer engagement that works for your business. And finally, we'll review a 5-step roadmap that will help you guide the integration of engagement analytics, again, within your business. Let me provide just a very quick overview of iKnowtion. We help our clients with a very broad set of business and marketing problems. However, the common link with all of our work is that our insights and recommendations are always based on comprehensive data analysis. It is really our goal to make customer intelligence and predictive analytics a strategic asset for your business. So let's jump into this topic. There really is a heightened focus on customer experience, but the industry analysts are saying interaction and engagement data is still extremely underleveraged. I thought it would be a good idea to share a few quotes from the analyst community. They're saying your customers are now interacting with your brand through multiple channels, yet most companies are unable to consolidate this valuable data across channels to enhance the customer experience. The analysts go on to say that technological limitations and organizational barriers are often contributing factors to this issue. There's also a general feeling that no matter which touch point the customer chooses to use, customer intelligence needs to inform that interaction. That is, we need to learn from past interactions in order to customize future interactions with that same customer. This is where customer engagement analysis, today's topic, becomes so important. And as the market matures, the true differentiator will become the ability to process big data, extract relevant intelligence, and importantly, predict high probability outcomes. We can't be content with just capturing what's happened in the past. And instead, we need to use this information to predict what these past behaviors mean in terms of future impact on your business. So what is customer engagement? Well, we define it as customer interactions and transactions with your brand in usage of your brand's products and services. Many times, these different types of behaviors, I'm going to repeat them, interactions, sales transactions, and product and service usage are analyzed independently, but we feel whenever it's possible, all of these engagement behaviors should be studied together to really fully assess the collective impact of these on your business. The big challenge today is that customers interact and engage through so many different channels, and overall data collection is becoming more difficult than ever. For example, customers engage directly to outbound stimuli like direct mail, email, surveys, and so forth. They engage through inbound channels such as pay-per-click, display ads, mobile apps, and they display through several highly interactive channels like the retail stores, contact centers, and even social media. The engagement can also take many different forms, and although the depth and cadence of engagement may vary by the products and services that your company has, the behaviors generally have a very repeatable nature as customers deepen their relationship with your brand. I've depicted a very simple engagement model here that includes the browsing and consideration phase, purchase, product usage, and support engagement phases. However, I think it would certainly be necessary for you to build your own customer journey or engagement map that depicts all of your customers' critical touch points. It would also be a good practice, I would say, to understand any customer interaction pain points that you have so that additional focus can be placed on interactions through those channels. So why is customer engagement analysis important? It really is because this type of analysis can quickly highlight both opportunities and risks in your business. Engagement analysis can help you understand what is the correlation between length of interaction cycles and customer long-term value. It can help you understand that relationship between the number of engagement channels your customers are using and how satisfied they are. Another example is it can help you understand if sudden drop-offs in product usage from even some of your more loyal customers are a short-term aberration or a potential major attrition risk. All of these different engagement characteristics may be leading indicators of either business opportunities or business risks, but the point is engagement analysis can help you understand the answers to these questions and obviously many, many more. Furthermore, engagement analysis can help provide that intelligence to help inform your company's broader customer experience strategy. It helps focus customer experience management resources on the interactions and engagement that have the greatest business impact. This is very, very important. Engagement analytics also identifies new engagement metrics that provide another critical measure of a company's customer experience performance. Keep in mind that these new metrics that I'm discussing can certainly be used in combination with other metrics you may have, such as Net Promoter Scores. And finally, a properly implemented engagement analytics process will provide the monitoring tools to quickly detect shifts in engagement patterns that may require changes to your customer experience management strategy.